Cybermen approaching! One of us must investigate outside! Not me! Not me! Not me! Not me! Damn! I hate them so much!
Units open visual link. Visual contact established.
Establish visual contact. Lower communications barrier. Identify yourself.
You will identify first.
You will identify.
You will identify.
After you.
Ladies first.
Daleks have no concept of gender.
You have identified as Daleks.
Bugger! That was clever.
The Cybermen are known for their cleverness.
So you are Cybermen?
Bugger.
I love your handlebars. Where did you get them?
Oh, thank you. They were built onto...
Haha, just kidding. They are, in reality, mediocre at best.
I would rather have handles than a whisk. If we ever need some scones or a toilet unblocked, we shall contact you.
You are wearing flares. You cannot conquer the world with disco fever.
Said the dustbin wearing a skirt covered in disco balls.
They are not disco balls. Exterminate!
Daleks, be warned. You have declared war upon the Cybermen.
This is not war. This is cyberbullying.
We have 5 million Cybermen. How many are you?
4.
You would destroy the Cybermen with 4 Daleks.
We would destroy the Cybermen with 1 Dalek. I'll do it. I was being figurative. Oh, the Cybermen are superior in only one respect.
What is that?
You are better at dying.
How long did you spend in your sphere thinking that one up?
It is not a sphere. It is a void ship.
Whatever.
We are done here. Raise communications barrier. Wait. Rewind image by 9 rels. Who the hell is that? And why am I so angry all of a sudden? The female has become very sweaty.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Identify him.
All right then. If you really want to know. That's the doctor.
Bugger.